In this video, I'll be explaining to you everything, the clear truth about Google Admob. So if you want to know about how Google Admob works, how to make money on Google Admob, the real information about Google Admob, stay till the end of this video, guys. So Google Admob is a legit business, and I want to show you how this really works. Now you stay to the end of this video. You are going to get a very free material for you to use, right? Also, I'll be leaving out this slide for you in the description and the comments section, so do well to click to download this slide, guys. And you will see a kind of skip ad. So what I normally do is I make money using other platforms, so you shouldn't worry, because it's not a scammy stuff. It's nothing like a spam. You're not going to do anything. You just need to skip the ads, and when you skip the ad, in 5 seconds it's going to take you to the place to download the files. So guys, let's get into what is Google Admob and how it really works, so that you shouldn't get scammed out there by people who proclaim themselves to be someone that knows how to develop mobile applications or do whatever thing with Google Admob, and they scam you 50,000, 10,000 naira, and then your money just goes off. Poof. So welcome to this video, guys. Now, what is Google Admob? So Google Admob is a mobile marketing subsidiary for Google. We all know Google, right? We go to the internet, we search on Google, search whatever thing that we want to search for. If there's any issues that we're having, we search on Google. So Google is a search engine, and Google have so many kind of applications. I put it like that. They have so many applications or packages or something all together is called the Google Suite. So Google Admob is also part of Google applications or suite or whatever thing that you want to call it. So now the term Admob is short for advertising on mobile, or you call it mobile advertising. So it was incorporated on the 10th of April 2006, and it was founded by one Omar the Hamoin or something, right? I don't really know how to pronounce that. So now we are going to know more about this. So who is Google Admob for? So Google Admob, you need to know who this is really for, why this was created, right? So Google Admob was created to make application developers earn money just the way blog owners earn money from ads served on their blog websites, right? You know, we visit websites and then we see ads. You see some kind of advertisement always come on their website. You will just be wondering, how does people make money? So you also use mobile applications, and you're going to see in our subsequent, just in the video, you're going to see how those ads appear on and how it is being done, right? How everything is being done. I'm going to explain to you in a bit. So just stick with me to the end of this video. You're going to enjoy everything, and you're going to understand how it really works. Now, Android and iOS developers can now make a huge amount of money as the number of mobile users is increasing rapidly. You all agree with me that these days you cannot do without your mobile phones, right? You get mobile phones that you just buy. You just need Android phone, you need iOS devices, right? So people that develop those applications for you, it's not Google and it's not iOS that develop those applications. Rather, it's somebody like you and I that develop those applications. And when they do develop those applications, you and I consume those applications. Simply, what I mean is that we use those applications, right? So that's how Google Admob comes in. I'll explain more about this. Now, how does Google Admob work really? So every day apps are being uploaded to Google Play Store and the iOS Marketplace. So people download those applications. I download, you download, we make use of those applications, right? And so when we make use of those applications, marketers now, these are different people, right? People that own businesses, people that own products. So they always come, like they pay for advertisements. So it's you hear people will be telling you, promote your business, promote, right? There are different way of promoting businesses. So you promote using paid advertisement or you use free methods. So so those people that come and do paid methods, like there's a section of Google that they go on Google, they create Google advertisements, then they pay to Google, right? So that's how Google use this Google Admob, right? So we'll explain more of that. So marketers promote their business and product using online advertising, and Google Admob is for a branch of what digital marketing called mobile marketing. Digital marketing is so broad. Do you understand? Digital marketing is so broad that there is a section in digital marketing that is known to be mobile marketing, right? You know, the way you use your phone, people use laptop, people use other desktop computers, and whatever thing that people are using, there is always something called targeting. For people that are advertising, right, there's something called targeting. So they target people based on their interests, based on the kind of devices that they use, based on where they have visited, based on different things, right? So but this one is like based on people that use mobile devices, right? So now this branch of advertising in using digital marketing is called mobile marketing. So that's where Google Admob falls. Mobile marketing. That's why they call it mobile advertising or advertising on mobile. So how do they advertise on mobile is using those mobile applications. So you're going to know more about that. So app developers create the applications. You know, we have different type of applications. We have MX player, we have VLC player, we have you can list them, you already know them because I've just called their name. We have WhatsApp, we have Facebook app, just mention them, Snapchat, and so many applications like VidMate, or just they are there, right? And we all see some kind of pop-ups. Zenda, you see some pop-ups and they just come and you don't like those pop-ups, you always click on or you tap on what cancel. Always you'll be tapping on those stars. Now what happened there is now when those apps, when they create those applications, you understand, they upload them to their Google Play Store. So when you upload to Google Play Store, what happened is that they create an account, they sign up an account on Google Admob. And so when they sign up an account on Google Admob, they list their application on the Google Admob account, and then they grab some ads units. You see, grab some ads units and integrate them into the application on the Google Admob dashboard. So when that is being done now, Google is going to take time to verify that application to see if that application is worldwide. What I mean by worldwide is if that application is really listed on Google Marketplace, and the Google Marketplace for mobile applications is the Google Play Store. So now what happened is after Google have confirmed the application on Play Store, and now what happened, they display ads as users continue to use the application. So that's how it works. Now let's go with more in-depth information on this. Now this is MX Player. We all know MX Player. If you are using MX Player, you should be you are already used to this interface. So this screenshot is from my mobile phone, right? So this screenshot is from my own mobile phone. And what happened here is you can see there's Jumia here, but this is MX Player. So there's nothing that Jumia is not supposed to be here, right? If this is MX Player, Jumia is not supposed to be here. So but now there's an ad here that is being displayed. That means Jumia paid to Google. And what happened after Jumia paid to Google? When Jumia paid to Google, Google now display ads on the owner of on MX Player. After the owner of MX Player has listed, like he has already listed his or her own application on the marketplace, right? So after they've put their applications there, they sign up for Google Admob account, and after they sign up for Google Admob account, they add those ads units. More of these, like more tutorials for you to understand how this works. If you really love all of these things about Google Admob, I want to show you real information how you can really make money with Google Admob. So that is my aim for this on this channel, right? Make money legitimate ways. Now what happened after the paid? You can see here, you see ads by Google, right? Ads by Google. So anything that you see here, you can see these other shoes that you can see here. It's also something from Ajabo market or something like that. So what happened is Ajabo market, they are not supposed to list their products here because this is MX Player. But what happened after they've paid to Google, and then the owner of MX Player has already listed his own application on Google Play Store and then created an account on with Google Admob, sign up, listed his application there, added those ads units. When he added the ads unit, what happened then? What happened after then? Then Google now started displaying adverts on his mobile application. So I don't know if it's a lady or a male, but no problem, all goes the same, right? So now sorry about that. So now how to make money with Google Admob. So you have to create an application with coding or without coding, right? Thank God to the way things have been made easy these days. You don't need to know Java, you don't need to know Flutter, you don't need to know how to create using Flutter, or you don't need to know how to create using C++ and so many programming languages. You only need to know how to create those applications, have content, ideas, structure the way you want your application to look like, and then you just start creating. So these days you can create mobile applications without coding. So I'll be showing you on this channel how to really create those mobile applications without coding, guys. So after you've created the application, you need to upload the application to Google Play Store or any marketplace. Let's assume the iOS store, right? So if you want to make money with your mobile application, you have to sign up to an ad network. There are different ad networks, but Google Admob is one of the best in the marketplace, right? So Google Admob, there's a startup, they are just there, right? They are just there. There's ad network and plenty of them are just there, right? So you'll be knowing more about this ads network in our upcoming videos, guys. So you need to promote your application after you've signed up and you've done all this 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth thing is you need to promote your application to reach out and get more users for your application, and you have to focus on updating and upgrading your applications to make more money with your mobile app using Google Admob. So many people, this number 4, so many people have been misunderstanding this part of the game, right? They don't really understand that they need to promote the application, like even if it is free method or paid method, for you to get more users for your application. So more on this in the upcoming videos on the best way for you to promote your mobile applications. I don't want you to get scammed in the future. That's why I'm creating this video, to help you out, to show you in-depth tutorial how to make money with your mobile apps. So now there's a scam alert for Google Admob. This is just a warning for you. If you are watching this video, if you've watched this level, please kindly stay and watch till the end of this video, right? You need to understand what is really happening in the Google Admob space, what has been happening over 5 years now. So I don't want you to fall in this position. If you have gotten to this level, if you've been scammed before, you shouldn't worry about that. Just understand after this video, you need to subscribe to this channel and then come back for more videos that is going to show you how to create mobile applications without coding, and from there you won't be scammed again. You'll be making your money legitimately using Google Admob. Now there's something called the Admob self-clicking applications, right? I remember when I started learning about this Google Admob way back in 2017. That should be 4 years from now. So 4 years before now, right? I started also as a self-clicking guy. So what happened was somebody introduced me to the system and told me that when I pay 10,000 naira, that they are going to give me like an application that I don't need to refer anybody, that I don't need to do anything. right? I never knew that I have to go through a process knowing what really is Google Admob before knowing how to create a Google Admob account, knowing that there's something called Google Play Store to upload applications to, and kind of do so many things like that, right? So, but all of those things were not explained to me by then. They only told me that I need to create they need to give me a self-clicking application that I'll be seeing ads anyhow, and then I'll be clicking, changing, using VPN to change my location and so many things, right? So, but in this video, on this channel, I want to really clear the air to you, let you understand that there is nothing like self-clicking. Google Admob is a legit business, right? But you need to follow through the process of having the type of idea of your application, creating that application, list it up on upload it to Google Play Store, promote the application, you get more installs, people use the application, add more engagement on your applications, and then you will really make money using your mobile apps, right? And other ways to make money online. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you really love this type of videos, right? Because I'll be uploading subsequent videos on how you can really make legit money on the internet, right? So now what to expect on Google Admob on this channel, Hustle Ninja TV, what to expect on our upcoming videos, right? I'll be showing you how to create and monetize your mobile applications without coding, how to promote your mobile applications for more installs, how to upload your mobile applications to Google Play Store, how to sign up for a Google Admob account, best profitable niches to create applications for, how to design graphics for your applications, requirements you need to upload an app on Google Play Store, right? So these are step-by-step processes. These are things that you need to know over time for you to earn at least $1,000, if it's $500, if it's $200, $10,000 on Google Admob, right? It is so legit, and I'm ready to show you all of this for absolutely free, guys. So do well to subscribe to this channel, stay subscribed, share this video with your people, right, your friends and family, and thank you for watching, and I love you guys, and stick with us on Hustle Ninja TV. I will see you in the next video, guys.